uncle is we are celebrating our uncle birthday, so I couldn't be able to join our class on last Tuesday.
Oh yeah. Where does your uncle live?
He lived in Bogor, so last Tuesday he went to Jakarta for celebrating his birthday with us.
Oh yeah, he came to your house to Jakarta.
No, we came to our grandma house, so we celebrated
Oh, I
there.
see. How many uh brothers and sisters does your mom have?
Um, um, three with my mom, included my mom.
Uh,
So she's the youngest actually, my mom.
oh yeah, your mom is the youngest. And
Mm-hmm.
how many brothers does he have?
Um, one,
One. So one brother and one sister.
one, yeah,
One brother and one sister. Already, are they all married?
yes, all of them.
Okay, very nice. You seem having a very good family relationship because you always have communication and have moments together
Mhm.
with family, and that's really very
Yeah.
nice. Um, so before we continue further, what have you, what experiences have you got at school? Have you finished your exam?
Um, yeah, I've already finished my exam, and yesterday we have um activity classmate. So
Mhm.
um from school they having a lot of competition that we could join
Oh
to
yeah.
just having fun after the exam.
Okay. Is there something like Ligos at school?
Oh, what is Legos?
School organization?
Oh yeah,
Yeah, in
OSIS,
the
OSIS.
yeah,
Yeah.
OSIS. Okay.
Mhm.
So what kind of competitions does your school have?
Um, football,
Football. Nice.
basketball, and um, like a water relay. So we have to throw like a balloon that fill with a water, and we have to throw it back to our friends in the back.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Is that kind of a game
Mm-hmm.
or a competition?
Actually, it's a game, but if
A game.
you can win like the first until the third place.
Okay, very nice to hear that. And did you join one of them? One of
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
category?
I joined one of them.
Uh,
I joined the balloon water,
mhm.
because I guess it's really fun. So yeah, because knowing the fact that this will be the last time we join a class meeting because we already
Yes.
12th grade. So yeah, I joined it with my friend.
Yeah. So because it will be the last session for school before
Yeah.
a long holiday, right? Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I think most students love playing with their friends because it will be a long
Mm-hmm.
holiday for Christmas. So they will miss their friends, for sure. They will miss because it will take
Yeah.
more than two. In my place, we will take 2 years. I'm sorry, two weeks for
More.
holiday.
Oh.
Two weeks.
Mm-hmm.
So we will continue again school on January, on 11th or 12th of January. So school will start again.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's a very nice opening up today. You have told me about what you did during the school rehearsal for school organization, and
Mhm.
very nice. You told me that you enjoyed all the competitions, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I think we just go to our topic today, what I have introduced.